Good morning, students.
Happy morning,
Very
sir.
good morning. Yesterday I can explain arithmetic progression. All are understood arithmetic progression?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Yesterday I given that questions completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In progressions are there. Second one is geometric progression. Geometric progression. It's a representation that is there. Here is equal to representation is called GP. Geometric progression representation is called a GP. There here is equal to listen. Geometric progression, what is the definition? In a sequence there are some terms will be there. The terms are a1 comma a2 comma a3 etc. an. There are n terms are there in that sequence. Consecutive terms ratio, consecutive term difference mean arithmetic progression. Consecutive ratio is the same, that is called a geometric progression. Consecutive ratio is the same, that is called a geometric progression. Therefore, listen, a1 a2 a3, this is the terms. Consecutive term ratio a2 by a1 and a3 by a2 and a4 by a3 etc. all are same, that is called a geometric progression. Terms are in geometric progression. In common ratio, what is the first letter?
A1.
Ratio, what is the first letter of in English?
R.
R. Therefore, that is the representation R. R is called a common ratio. R is called common ratio. In this sequence, what is the first term is called? A1. Generally, you can take A1 is equal to A. What is the A2? From that result, A1 into R, that is called AR. A3, that is equal to AR square. Here similarly, A4 is equal to AR cube. Listen, A2 mean AR power 1, A3 mean AR power 2, A4 mean AR power 3, etc. will be there. What is the AN? Anyone?
A into R power n minus 1.
Very good. A into R power n minus 1 will be there. Therefore, here listen. What is the terms in geometry progression? A, AR square, etc. AR power n minus 1. Therefore, general term. Here is there. Here, general term. General term AN is equal to A into R power n minus 1 is there. General term AN is equal to A into R power n minus 1. For example, what is the 90th term? Anyone? A into R power 89 will be there. Like this one, terms you can find. Like this one, terms are there.
Yes, sir.
What are the terms? AN is equal to A into R power
Minus
n
1.
minus 1. Okay, you can do that copying. Don't waste your time. Any doubt you can ask to me. Otherwise, you can copy it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Over.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Are you completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. After you know that nth term of the geometry progression, you know. After sum of n terms of geometric progression, sum of n terms of geometric progression. Here listen, sum of n terms of geometry progression, listen 1. Here is equal to representation as Sn. Sn is equal to sum of n terms. What is the Sn? A1 plus A2 plus A3 etc. An is there. Listen, A1 is equal to A2 is equal to, this is A2 is called AR square, here etc. AR power,
n minus 1.
okay. What is the common of all? A will be common. You can get 1 plus R square etc. R power n minus 1. Therefore, this is their value. All are listen concentrately. Let what is the x square minus 1 divide x minus 1. X square minus 1. What is the factors are? X minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divide x minus 1. Understood this one? Therefore, x minus 1 cancel. You can get x plus 1. You can get x plus 1. Again, x cube minus 1 divide x minus 1. Therefore, a cube minus b cube. What is the a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square whole divide x minus 1. Which one is the cancel?
X minus 1.
Very good. X minus 1 cancel. What you get? 1 plus x square. Listen one here. X cube minus 1 by x minus 1. What is the numerator? X highest power?
3.
3. But here what is the x highest power? 2. Therefore, observe this one. Here 3 is there. Here is equal to 2 you can get. Therefore, similar way, anyone. X power 4 minus 1 by x minus 1.
1 plus x square plus x cube.
Very good. That is 1 plus x square plus x cube. Same thing is there. Here listen. That is equal to a into, listen, 1 r square, r power n minus 1 up to r power n minus 1. Up to x square will be there, x cube you can get. Up to x cube is there, x power 4 you can get. Up to x power r power n minus 1 is there. What you get? R power n only. Therefore, lesson 1, a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is equal to a into, this is the value. When this is the possible, here r minus 1. R minus 1 when it's a positive. R minus r value more than 1. R value more than 1. That is there. Therefore, mod r value more than 1. Also written a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r when mod r value less than 1. Mod r value less than 1. Therefore, sum of n terms of series. What is the sum of n terms is there? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when mod r value greater than 1. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r mod r less than 1. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Note down. Tomorrow having exam, must write everyone. Monday discuss that question paper.
Sir, one side, please.
All subjects. Here tomorrow exam will be there. Maths, physics, chemistry, 3 hours exam. Total 3 subjects in 3 hours. Each subject 25 questions will be there.
Yes, sir.
That means total question paper containing 75 questions. Clearly instruction given, read instruction and solve that questions. As you wish, you can start with that subjects. Any order, there is no problem. Chemistry, maths, physics, physics, maths, chemistry, or physics, chemistry, maths, whatever the order you can follow, there is no problem. If here is there, out of 75 question, 60 questions are each question, each correct answer plus 4, wrong answer minus 1.
Yes,
No need to observe that marks. First you think about attempt that examination. Only 15 question, there is no options. Question will be there, that answer you can mark in ever, that in examination some code will be there, like a code you can fail. It's their instruction in examination.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Over, sir.
Completed, sir.
Write down next heading.
Yes, sir.
Sum of infinite terms. Sum of infinite. Sum of infinite terms of geometry progression. Sum of infinite terms of geometric progression. Sum of infinite terms of geometric progression. Here listen, there are that point will be there. Just to remember what is the reason that is given that clarity in calculus chapter limits. Presently just remember that point. What is that point will be there? X power here is there, that is x power infinity is equal to infinity when x is greater than 1, 0 when x lies between 0 to 1 will be there. This point can be remember that one when x value x power infinity, any value x is the taken any real number, more than 1 you can take, more than 1 power infinity is equal to infinity, less than 1 power infinity is equal to 0. Just remember that point. Do you know that sum of n term? What is the sum of n term formula? Here a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r, when what is the mod r value less than 1 I can given. I want to the s infinity. What is the s infinity? N in place of infinity. R value less than 1. What is the less than 1 power infinity?
0.
0. Therefore, that is equal to a into 1 minus 0 by 1 minus r, when mod r is there less than 1. Therefore, a by 1 minus r, mod r value less than 1, when sum of infinite terms of geometric progression. What is the formula? A by 1 minus r. What is the r condition? Mod r value less than 1. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you copy?
Sir,
Yes.
should we need to copy the upper paragraph also?
That is definition of sum of infinite terms.
Completed, sir.
Okay. After this one, you know that sum of infinite terms of geometry progression a by 1 minus r will be there. Here listen, afterwards same point in arithmetic. Arithmetic mean like a geometric mean. How to find out geometric mean? Same definitions. Listen. That is, here is there. Lesson 1, that point. Here there are two real numbers are there. G1, G2. Two real numbers. A comma B are two real numbers. Therefore, G1, capital G1, capital G2, etc. Capital Gn. N numbers are inserted between. N numbers are inserted between A and B. A and B resulting sequence. This sequence are in geometric progression. This sequence are in geometric progression. Therefore, inserted numbers G1, G2, etc. Gn, G1, G2, etc. Gn are called geometric means. What is the geometric mean definition? There are AB two real numbers. N numbers are inserted between A and B. Resulting sequence are in geometry progression. Therefore, inserted numbers are called geometric means. Inserted numbers are called geometric means. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
1 by 4.
Therefore, here n numbers are inserted. What is the, in this total sequence, number of terms is?
3, sir.
3.
Yes, sir.
Here n numbers will be there. Here one number, here one number. Total how many?
2 plus n.
2 plus n. Very good. N plus 2 terms are there. In geometry progression, what is the first term formula?
A.
A. Second term formula.
AR.
R.
Third term formula.
AR square.
AR square, etc. Here you can listen. There are total n plus 2 terms are there. What is the A? N plus 2 is equal to B. What is the A n plus 2? A into R power n plus 2 minus 1 is equal to B will be there. Just I can return that formula. That is equal to, that implies R power n plus 1 is equal to B by A. R power n plus 1 is equal to B by A. What is the R value? R value is called B by A whole power. What is that value? N plus 1. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, common ratio for geometric means last term divide first term whole power, whole power 1 by whole power 1 divide number of inserted plus 1, number of inserted plus 1, that is called 1 by n plus 1 will be there. Therefore, listen, generally geometric progression, what is the first term is there? A. What is the second term is there? AR. That's mean G1 is equal to A into R. What is the G2 is equal to A into R square will be there.
Okay, sir.
What is the G3 is equal to?
AR cube.
A into R cube, etc. What is the Gn is equal to?
A into R power n.
Very good. Very good. A into R power n is there. You know that. You know that A value. You know that R value. Both values you know. You can find like a geometric
Yes, sir.
means will be there. Like a geometric mean. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do it. That is the definition. A and B two real numbers. Here small mistake. That is there G1. Here is there G2, etc. Gn. G1, G2, G3, etc. Gn inserted in A comma B. Resulting sequence are in geometric progression. Then inserted numbers are called geometric means. That is the definition. Note down. Presently explained fundamentals. In second year you can learn this chapter again in depth. What is the model of questions, how to able to solve everything, again it's there in second year. Present you have that some points is required when you solving that. Mains questions or advanced questions.
Completed, sir.
Very good. Here let's
1 minute, sir.
okay. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here listen. Actually A comma B comma C, there are three numbers. A comma B comma C. Three numbers are in geometric progression. What is the geometric progression definition? Consecutive term ratio same. Therefore, B by A is equal to C by B, implies B square is equal to AC. That implies what is the B value is equal to root over AC. In arithmetic progression, ABC are in arithmetic progression. What is the relation between ABC?
B is equal to A plus C by 2.
Very good. B is equal to A plus C by 2. Same like this one. ABC are in geometry progression. What is the B is equal to? Root AC. Also written that AC power 1 by 2 will be there. Listen. One number inserted between A and C. What is that value is called? Product of both whole divide 1 by number of terms A and C, 2 terms, that is called a 1 by 2. Therefore, geometric mean how to find? Two numbers of geometric mean product of both number whole power 1 by number of terms. Similarly, what is the geometric mean of? Geometric mean of A comma B comma C. Therefore, A into B into C whole power 1 by 3. Whole power 1 by 3. Similarly, geometric mean of A, B, C, D. Anyone?
A into B into C into D whole power 1 by 4.
Very good. Very good. Very good. A, B, C, D whole power. What is that value? 1 by 4. Similarly, therefore, geometric mean of A1, A2, etc. An is here A1, A2, etc. All are multiplication whole power
1 by n.
1 by n.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this is equal to geometric mean of n numbers are there. Geometric mean of n numbers. How to find out is there? Product of all values whole power 1 by n. Do you understand geometric means?
Yes, sir.
Note down. All are completed?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After another very important, write down relation between next heading. Relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Listen everyone. Here A comma B are two positive numbers. Two positive numbers. A comma B are two positive numbers I can take. Capital A is equal to AM of A comma B is there. AM of A comma B will be there. Therefore, what is the arithmetic mean of two numbers? A plus B by 2. G is equal to geometric mean of A comma B, that is equal to under square root of A into B. Therefore, this is their arithmetic mean and the geometric mean. Here A is called arithmetic mean of A comma B, G is called geometric mean will be there. Relation required. How to find out? Let's consider A minus G is equal to, what is the A minus G? A plus B by 2 minus root over AB. Take LCM. LCM is equal to 2. Here observe A plus B minus 2 root AB. Okay, everyone listen quiet. That is equal to, what is that value? A can be written root A whole square, B can be written root B whole square minus 2 root AB whole divide 2 will be there. This is the form of A square plus B square minus 2AB. Therefore, lesson 1. A minus G is equal to, what you get? Root A minus root B whole square whole divide 2. Perfect square. Generally, what is the 0 square value?
0.
1 square,
1.
2 square,
4,
4.
4. 3 square is equal to
9,
9.
9, etc. Minus 1 whole square,
Plus 1.
minus 2 whole square,
plus 4,
like this one is there. Therefore, observe here, A minus G is equal to perfect square is there. Perfect square always positive. It's equal to 0 also chance. That's why greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, A minus G always greater than or equal to 0. A greater than or equal to G. Therefore, observe this one. Always AM is greater than or equal to GM. Therefore, here is equal to AM greater than or equal to GM will be there. You know that result. Where you can apply, you don't know how to find out that, how to use that result, you don't know. That's why lesson 1, if any question is the given that minimum or maximum is the asking by observation. Suppose for example is there x and 1 by x. Here what is the x plus 1 by x minimum value? How to find x plus 1 by x minimum? Any question, function, then reciprocal function, some minimum is asking. You can use AM GM inequality because of what is the AM GM is there. AM mean A plus B by 2 greater than or equal to GM mean root over AB. Therefore, observe this one, x plus 1 by x whole divide 2 greater than or equal to under square root of A is x, what is the B is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, x plus 1 by x greater than or equal to 2 into x cancel. What is the root 1 value?
1.
1. Therefore, x plus 1 by x always greater than or equal to 2. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, AM-GM inequality can be using for to find minimum and maximum, where you can apply. Generally, question will be given that function reciprocal function sum, its minimum value is asking. You can use that AM and GM inequality. Note down. This point can be using many of chapters. Just remember that point. AM always greater than or equal to GM. Completed?
1 minute, sir.
So,
If completed, inform to me. I can explain next point.
1.
Here, this is the points are based on that geometric progression. Geometric progression, first you can find out terms are there. What is the formulas? After sum of n term, sum of infinite terms of geometric progression, after geometric mean. Finally, relation between geometric mean and arithmetic mean. Relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. This is the one. Some small questions, write down. Some small question will be there. If sum of second, third, fourth terms of geometry progression is equal to 3, what is the second term formula?
AR.
AR. Therefore, AR will be there. What is the third term formula?
AR square.
AR square.
AR square. Fourth term is equal to AR cube. That value 3 given. What is the common of these 3 terms?
A.
A.
AR common. A into R common. 1 plus R square is equal to 3. That is equation 1. Next one. Here sum of 6, 7, 8. What is the 6th term formula?
A plus R power 5.
AR power 5.
AR power 5. Therefore, AR power 5 plus AR power 6 plus AR power 7 is equal to what is the given? 243. What is the common of this all? Therefore, AR power 5 common, that is 1 plus R square is equal to 243. Second equation. Therefore, you know that both equation divide. Here is there. Second divide first one. Observe this one. 1 plus R square, same term cancel. A cancel. 1 R cancel. You can get R power 4. R power 4 is equal to 243 by 3. You can get 81. 81 can be written that 3 power 4 will be there. 3 power 4. What is the value of R is equal to 3? R is equal to 3. Substitute in that first equation. What is that value? 3A into 1 plus 3 plus 9 is equal to 3 will be there. 3 and 3 cancel. What is the A value? 1 by 13. A value 1 by 13. R value 3 will be there. Therefore, what is asking? Sum of first 50 terms. Sum of first 50 terms of GP S50 is equal to, therefore, A into R power 50 minus 1 by R minus 1, that is 1 by 13 into R value 3, 3 power 50 minus 1 by 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, 1 by 26 into 3 power 50 minus 1. Do you understand? Do it. just using that formula and find out. What are explain that question? That models once again you can solve, in exam you can write easily. Okay, here next one, listen, that is A, B, C, D and P be any non-zero distinct real numbers are there. This is the equation given. Then A comma B comma C comma D are in arithmetic progression or geometric progression. How to find out? Here one different type of question. Just listen. That is, what is the given that? Here is equal to A square plus B square plus C square into what is that value? P square minus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CD into P will be there plus B square plus C square plus D square is equal to 0. This is the given that question. Observe here first one, what is the term? A square P square. I written that. Here is there A square P square. That is the first bracket of first term. Second bracket of what is the first term? Minus 2 AB. P will be there. In third one, third bracket of first one, that is called a B square. I can consider this 3 are one term. Again same like this one. Here observe, that is equal to B square P square minus 2BCP plus C square, that is one term. Next one, C square P square minus 2CDP plus D square is equal to 0, another term. By observation this one, this is the form of A square minus 2AB plus B square, that is the formula for A minus B whole square. Therefore observe AP minus B whole square plus BP minus C whole square plus CP minus D whole square is equal to 0. Last class I told sum of perfect square is equal to 0 mean each term should be
0.
0. Therefore AP, here AP minus B is equal to 0. What is the P value? B by A. BP minus C 0. What is the P value? C by B. Here CP minus D is equal to 0. What is the P value? D by C. In the three cases, P value you can get. All P you can equate. What you get? B by A is equal to C by B is equal to D by C. When ratio will be same, that which progression the terms are?
Geometric progression.
Geometric progression. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it. Don't waste your time every day learning slowly one by one subject. 3 subjects what are explained. Again you can solve after complete that class. Then you can remember easily that methodology of questions. Formulas you can read every day, you can remember. Then how to remember that method? You by seeing that question, you can approach that method. By solving only you can get. When I can explain, you can just listening only. Again you can solve, you can remember. Okay, one more last one. This is their question. Based on that again involving wavy curve method also. Listen, sum of first 3 terms of geometry progression, yes, their product is equal to 27 given. Let I can take here, let a comma ar square or three terms are here. Three terms are there. Observe this one. Product of all. What is the product? A into ar square is equal to 27. What you get? Here is called a cube. R cube is equal to 27. I return 3 cube will be there. Therefore implies what is the AR is equal to 3 will be there. AR is equal to 3. Therefore that implies what is the A value is equal to 3 by R. You know that this one. What is the S is equal to sum of first 3 terms. Therefore here S is equal to A plus AR square, sum of first 3 terms. But you know that A value in terms of R will be there. Therefore S is equal to A can be written 3 by R. AR is equal to 3 AR square. AR square is equal to 3 by R into R square will be there. LCM is equal to R. What is the S is equal to 3 plus 3R plus 3R square. Whole divide R will be there. Any doubt up to this one?
No, sir.
By observation, cross multiply. Here S into R is equal to 3 plus 3R plus 3R square. All term bring left right hand side. What you get? 3R square plus 3 minus S into R plus 3 is equal to 0. You can get quadratic in terms of R. But R is called common ratio. Common ratio always real. Always real mean discriminant. Discriminant greater than 0. Discriminant greater than 0. Therefore 3 minus S whole square 4 into 3 into 3. It's greater than 0 will be there. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Therefore simplify. S square plus 9 minus 6S. Here 4 into 9 is equal to 36 minus 36 greater than 0. You can get S square minus 6S. Therefore 9 36 minus 9 minus 27 is greater than 0. You can find out roots. What you get? S minus 9 into S plus 3. It's greater than 0. Here number line. What is the roots? Minus 3 and 9. Infinity minus infinity. Positive, negative, positive. But here greater than is there or less than is there?
Greater than.
Greater than mean positive. Therefore S belongs to half 9 to infinity. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Tomorrow all are right exam.
Yes, sir.
Only 1 or 2 students are said. Remaining are quiet. Don't waste your time. You must write that examination. Then no one is asking marks whether you wrote that examination or not. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next class some more points and some more question in geometry progression. After harmonic progression and arithmetic geometric progression also I can explain to next class. Afterwards can start with the trigonometry. Most probably Wednesday onwards start with the trigonometry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best for exam.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir.
Okay.